A very good morning to all. Today we are going to continue with the comprehension, which is given on page number 56 and 57, chapter number 5, L'heure du conte. In last class, we have studied the chapter, and what we have studied, that grandmother is giving storybooks to the children, and children had studied various storybooks and they discussed about them. So what were the stories? One of the story was a treasure perdu, lost treasure. One was Blanche-Neige, the Snow White. Then was Aladdin, story of Aladdin was there. And one more, and the last is Le Petit Chaperon Rouge, the Red Riding Hood. So accordingly, these are the questions given on page number 56. We will just discuss them. Question number 1, répondez aux questions suivantes. Answer the following question. First, qui sauve la Blanche-Neige? Who saved the Snow White? Un prince sauve la Blanche-Neige. One prince saved the Snow White. ठीक है? Next, qu'est-ce qu'il arrive à la fin? Un treasure perdu. What they found in the story, un treasure perdu, a lost treasure. At the last, they find a treasure in the cave. So you'll write à la fin, the treasure perdu ils en trouvent le treasure dans une grotte, in a cave. Qu'est-ce qu'Aladin a redonné au génie? What Aladdin has given to the genie? Aladdin a redonné liberté au genie. He has given the liberty to genie. Fourth question and the last question, last part of question 1. Qu'est-ce qu'Aladin son scène et son génie ont fait? What Aladdin, his monkey and his genie do? Aladdin, son scène et son génie ont fait un long voyage où ils se sont battus contre des pirates, where they fought against the pirates. Question number 2. In this question, you need to tick the correct answer. Cochez les beaux réponses. Aladdin a un dash. Aladdin has a tiger, a monkey, saying a lion, that is lion. So Aladdin a un saint. Aladdin के पास एक monkey था. B part. Dash is of par la prince. Dash was saved by the prince. Blanche-Neige, Jasmine, or Le Petit Chaperon Rouge? The correct answer is Blanche-Neige. Next, Aladdin a redonné le dash au genie. Aladdin has given dash to the genie. Liberty, voyeur, lampe. Aladdin a redonné liberté au genie. Le petit chaperon rouge a pris un pot de dash. The Red Riding Hood found a dash, pot of dash. Fromage, butter, cheese, butter, or snow. Butter is the correct answer. Question number 3. Again, you have to take the correct answer. Hier soir, les amis sont allés dash. Yesterday evening, the friends went to cinema, library, or theater. So they went to the theater to watch a play. Les amis went au théâtre. B part, Mademoiselle Leroy est la grand-mère de. Whose grandmother is Mademoiselle Leroy? Dennis, Sophie, or Philippe? Dennis. C part, Mademoiselle Leroy a donné les livres dash aux enfants. Livre de Maggie, book of Maggie, book of science, book of story, या फिर पंचतंत्र. So the grandmother given the books of story, du conte. D part, quel conte Philippe a-t-il lu? Dash. Which story was read by Philippe? Petit Chaperon Rouge, Histoire de Aladdin, or Blanche-Neige? Histoire de Aladdin. Le Petit Chaperon Rouge a rencontré un dash. Le Petit Chaperon Rouge is a man, is an animal, or is a bird? Is an animal. Question number 4. You need to tell true or false. Dites vrai ou faux. Les amis trouvons les contre très ennuyeux. The friends found the storybooks very boring. Vrai ou faux? You have to tick. So first one is false. Next, Aladdin has a saint très méchant. Aladdin has a naughty monkey. Yes. Le groupe de hommes a trouvé un treasure dans la grotte. The group of men found the treasure in a cave. Yes, they found the treasure in a cave. Le loup a mangé le petit chaperon rouge. The wolf eaten the petit chaperon rouge. Faux, because the wolf, who a lady was eaten by, which was the grandmother. The loup killed the grandmother and she ate grandmother. Tous les amis sont allés voir une pièce de théâtre. All the friends went to see the theater, to watch a play in the theater. Yes. Question number 5, the last question. Trouver un mot du texte. Find a word from the text. Le professeur a demandé aux étudiants de travailler en dash. The professor asked the children to work in a cave, to work in a group, to work in a play. Work in a group. B part. Il va toujours partir avec dash. Avec adventure, isole is alone, or pleasure is pleasure. So he always wants to travel alone, isolé. C part. Il pleut dash, je prends mon parapluie. It is raining dash, I take my parapluie. Donc. Mais is but, enfin is last, and donc is so. So it is raining, so I took my umbrella. Met les livres dans mon dash. Put my book in my room, in my almirah, or in my island. Dans mon armoire. In this chapter, we'll be learning the passé composé tense with avoir verb, with être verb. In chapter number 4, we have done with avoir. Now, these verbs which are there on this sheet, you can see I have just marked in a bold letters the first alphabet, and its short form is Dr. Mrs. Vander Tramp. Clear? First is descendre, second is rentrer, then mourir, then rester, then sortir, then venir, aller, naître, devenir, entrer, retourner. Then tram stands for tomber, revenir, arriver, monter, and partir. So these all are the verbs which are conjugated with être. Only these verbs are conjugated with être. Rest all others, whichever the verb is, it will be conjugated with avoir. Clear? So you have to first of all write all these verbs in your notebook as written on the board. Please start writing. Dr. Mrs. Vander Tramp. Descendre becomes descendu. Its past participle is given. Rentre, rentré. Mourir, mort. Rester, reste. Sortir, sorti. Venir, venu. Aller, aller. Naître, né. Devenir, devenu. Entrer, entre. Retourner, retourne. Then tomber, tombe. Revenir, revenu. Arriver, arrive. Monter, monte. Partir, partir. So these all are the verbs which are conjugated with être in passé composé. Yes, children.